All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at this new construction property right here in Houston, Texas. This is a custom build. I can't wait for you to see this property. And I want to give a huge shout out to Arvin Razani with Kiani Realty for letting us tour his beautiful listing. It just hit the market. And like you folks know, I bring you the best of the best. So even just taking a look at the exterior of the property, you're going to have this beautiful stucco all around. Not to mention, you're going to have these huge windows. This is aluminum and fiberglass framed windows, and it's tinted. So let's go ahead and look at the front door right here. You're going to have this oversized pivot front door, which I absolutely love these just because of the durability of the door. Now, this is going to be immediately what you're greeted with. So you're instantly in your beautiful great room, high ceilings, and you have your formal dining room. So the one thing I really love about this property is the fact that you have the tall ceilings all the way from end to end right here. Absolutely love this. So we'll start right here in the great room. Look at the amount of natural light that enters inside of the property. So right here, you're going to have the floor to ceiling fireplace right here. You have the wood fireplace, not to mention you have the tile on the lower exterior, and I absolutely love it. So it's an electric fireplace, and then on both sides you have these oversized tall windows. Absolutely fantastic. Can you imagine having the family entering in the front of your property, and this is what they would be working with? So the cool thing is you have the tall ceilings in the formal dining room. You have this beautiful chandelier going right above your dining room table, and just look how magnificent this is. So like I said, this is a custom build. So a lot of times you'll see with these custom builders, they like to add their own touch. And a lot of folks absolutely love it because some of these major builders, you kind of get the same plan for the most part. So right here is going to be your powder bath. You're going to have a little storage area right here. And I love the fact that you have floating countertops. Look how beautiful this is. You have your LED mirror as well, and you have a little window right here to air it out just in case. So continuing along, let's go ahead and take a right. You have these sliders right here with this covered patio area, which is perfect for entertaining guests. And not to mention right here to the right, you have your beautiful kitchen. So you have CNC cabinetry. You have your stainless steel range hood right here. You have a 6-burner stovetop, waterfall countertops. You have porcelain counters, and just look how magnificent this is. The one detail I really want you to pay attention to is these lighting fixtures right above your oversized island. So you have your breakfast bar, and just look at the stainless steel oversized refrigerator. Plus you have a wine cooler right over here as well. And it's just absolutely fantastic. Look how much space you have inside of here. Wonderful. So you have the cabinets all on top as well for extra storage space. So you have no shortage of storage whatsoever. And just look at the built-in microwave as well with all this cabinetry. I just absolutely love it. So right here, you're gonna have a pocket door going into the pantry. We're still going ahead and adding some shelving and things like that. So that's one thing to keep in mind, but we'll go ahead and continue along. So the good thing about this particular property is that you are going to have the primary downstairs, which a lot of folks absolutely love, especially me. And look how beautiful this primary is. So if you notice on top, and you're going to see this theme throughout the property tour, is that you are going to have that little lip with the LED on top of the ceiling. You have recessed lighting throughout, and just look how much space you have inside of here. Absolutely fantastic. That's a king size bed and 2 nightstands, and you could easily add in a dresser in here, maybe 2 chairs. This one is vacant, but it's staged, and I always like to bring you stuff that is furnished so that way you can see what is possible. So right here, you're going to have your double barn doors sliding right here. And not to mention you have your nice size closet. So it's not the biggest closet, but it definitely gets the job done. I can see a lot of folks being able to put, a lot of your shoes inside of here, not to mention coats and things like that. And then this is going to be your bathroom. So right here, of course, you have your toilet right over there, but just look at the shower itself. So you have a nice size shower. You have these glass sliding doors right here. You have stainless steel waterfall shower heads, and you actually have 2 of those, believe it or not. So I'm opening this up for you right here, and just look at the amount of spouts that you have. Wow, you will not have a problem getting clean. It's funny because when I was in the Air Force at one point in time, we tried to do like a assembly line to go ahead and be able to shower within 30 seconds. And a lot of times you always ended up with soap on yourself still. So that'll be a perfect place if you're in a quick hurry and you need to shower quickly. You have so many spouts that you'll be good. So his and her sinks right here, quartz countertops. You have this nice size soaking tub right here, freestanding with the wand itself, and absolutely fantastic. So you have tile inside of the bathroom. You have wood flooring inside of the primary. And going this way, you have a nice little seating area just to go ahead and just be able to look outside who's on the patio. And I can't wait for you to see the balcony on the 2nd story. So we have a 2-car garage right here. You have epoxy flooring. But the one thing that's good about this one, folks, is that you have a curved staircase, or a curved driveway rather, in the front, and you have this long driveway as well going up here. So if you have 5, 6, 7 cars, this will be a perfect place for you. That way you don't have to worry. And of course right here, we're gonna have a nice little storage area. And I did say the pantry was a pocket door. It wasn't a pocket door, just a regular door, but I think it still looks sleek. So correction on that end. And this is going up the stairs. So very unique iron railings going up the stairs right here. You have wood flooring up here as well. Not to mention, look at this oversized window. So the one thing that you're really gonna love is the fact that you have so much natural light in here. It's almost ridiculous. So like I mentioned, folks, this is gonna be your 2nd story balcony. Look at this, absolutely stunning. And this part of Houston right here, there's a lot of new development right now, which is fantastic. So this is something, if you wanna be in the inner city, it might make sense to go ahead and take advantage while you can. So you have sliders downstairs and upstairs. You have your study on the 2nd floor as well. You have these French doors right here. You have plenty of space inside the study. And just look how beautiful this looks. Wow. Fantastic. Recessed lighting inside of here. Plenty of space. I love that area right there. You can add some decorations, and you have another area right here. So you could put the lamp how they have it, or maybe a chair, anything that suits your needs. So continuing along, you're gonna have your 2nd bedroom right here. So this one will have a full-size bathroom attached to it. The other 2 will have a Jack and Jill. Of course, you have a walk-in closet right here and your full-size bathroom. So again, you have your LED mirrors, which you have those in the Jack and Jill as well. Full-size walk-in shower, and look at the beautiful shower surround. Now, this is something you haven't seen. Look at that. You got a little LCD screen right there, stainless steel. Wow. You got your shower niche and the tile shower surround. So love it so far. And if you are a returning viewer, folks, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move to Texas. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll definitely get you taken care of. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I always love when I get new subscribers, and that way you know when I drop a new video every single week. So you got a storage area right here. This is going to be your utility room. So you have plenty of space for an oversized washer and dryer. If in the future you wanted to add some updated cabinetry on top just for plenty of storage, you certainly have that option. But this is your game room area right here. And even just taking a look right here, you have another powder bath. So if folks are up here being entertained, they're on the balcony, you don't have to worry about going to the bedrooms to go ahead and use the restroom. All right, so this will be your third bedroom right here. Again, you have the LED on top of the lip in the ceiling. You have plenty of space. This will be perfect for you for adding a queen size bed, 2 nightstands and a dresser. You'll be able to comfortably fit those in here. And then of course you have your Jack and Jill right here. So like I mention all the time, folks, I love the fact that it's separated right here. You got your shower tub combo with the waterfall shower head again, tile flooring inside of here, and you got 2 sinks and 2 mirrors, which is fantastic. And eventually, if you ever did just wanted to go ahead and add pocket doors, that's no big deal. You can definitely do that just for simplicity's sake. That's certainly an option for you. So this is, like I said, it's in Houston, Texas, right here. It's about, I'd say 10, 15 minutes away from downtown Houston. And like I said, I like to bring you stuff in the suburbs, but I also like to bring you stuff in the city, just depending on what you need and what you're looking for. So sometimes you may look for proximity to downtown, which this would certainly be a great option. And sometimes folks don't really care as much. They're okay with being 45 minutes away from downtown Houston or in that proximity standpoint. So if that's the case, then, you know, the suburbs might be a better option for you. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look out here. Let me go ahead and make sure I show you the patio right here. So of course, look how much space you have outside of here, which is fantastic. And then what we'll do is I'll make sure to show you around so that way you can see what we're working with. But this is on a standard lot. It's a huge place. So if it's something where you don't need a huge backyard, this will certainly be something for you. And of course you can access that yard through the primary as well. So this was what you're working with right here. Of course, like I said, you would access that through the primary. So a lot of times if you were to buy this plan, you may just go ahead and just use the courtyard area that you had recently. So that, folks, is a new construction property. All right, Reiki family, I hope you absolutely love that one. So that was a stunner right there. New construction property on the market right now as we speak. So if you do want more information, I say reach out to the contact information below. We'll get you taken care of. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.